Yo, what's good everybody? Welcome back to another Henry Got Hustle video. In today's video, we're gonna be hitting up the Nike outlet. I am gonna go to the one that I went to if it was a previous video, not the one previous to that. And it was one like an hour away from my house. So we're gonna hit that one up again. They actually literally just opened like a few minutes ago, so I am gonna go right when they open. So I think it's always best to go right when they open because it's like fresh inventory. So I'm gonna hit that up, see what I find, do footage as always, and then yeah, hopefully we can find some good stuff. Yeah guys, let's do it. It's early in the morning, no one's even making line at all. That's crazy. Let's see how it goes, guys. Alright, see what they got, guys. This is good. Alright, so we're at the hash one right here. Let's see what they got. So they got these for 89 bucks, additional 30. Pretty good. Got these for $24.99. 7. Got these right here.
How about this one?
89.
What is this size?
Pretty good. 99. Finance. Black History Month.
39.
Got these golf shoes. 137.
And it's gonna have the 30 on top.
Got these software cleats right here. 260. These right here. 797. Got these Nike React Infinity runs for $89.97 plus 30, which is actually really good for those. I haven't seen them that cheap before, so that's pretty good. Got these Air, it's called Air Buried Lows, 130. That's alright. Not seeing too much though. Everything else is kind of like really pricey, to be honest. But we'll see though. We'll keep looking. These Metcon 5s. This tennis. This is not too bad. $89.97 plus 30. Got these right here. These are Converse. The like the craters. Plus the 30. Not too bad. Alright guys, this is what I found so far. I found these Nike React Element 55s and $39.97 after all discounts, like 27 bucks. So I always sell these like for 70, 80 bucks locally. These right here, some Nike Prestos, $89.99, come out to like $62 after discounts. These are actually selling for like 160, 170 range. It's even one like no, it's more like 140, 170. So I'm gonna pick those up. And these $79.99 comes up to like 50 something dollars. Selling for like around 100 to 150. And then found these right here. I found two pairs of these Vapor Max Flyknits. Come up to like $134.97. Come up to like 90 something dollars. I'm not sure if I'm gonna pick these up yet because they're, I mean, sometimes they usually sell them for 170, but I don't know. We'll see. I'm still debating on this one though, but still, so far, pretty good finds. Alright, so now I'm going to be showing stuff in the aisles. We got these right here for $49.97. Super steal on these at plus additional 30. Ends up being like 35 bucks. Got these Nike Cruise 1s for $59.97 plus 30. I don't know how much that would be. Probably like what, 35 bucks or something? No, more like 40 something. Yeah, really cheap for those as well. Got these Gayakusos right here, the trail shoes. $89.99 plus 30. Are really good too. I'd have to look these up, but I don't know. Great though, box though. Alright, so I just found these. I've never ever seen Dunks before, so I'm actually really excited. I mean, they're kid size, but it's still pretty sick. Kid size 13C, $85.97 plus additional 30. I don't know how much this pair goes for, but it is cool that I finally came across some Dunks at a store. So really pretty cool, but I don't know how much these go for because they're kid size. So, but we'll see. We'll look them up. Alright guys, so I went to the Nike outlet and I actually got a couple of good stuff. And I did go to the Adidas as well, but unfortunately there was nothing there. It was actually kind of trash. It was pretty whack, but we're going to Ross now. We're going to hit up Ross, Burlington, and also maybe Marshalls. But yeah, we'll see and I'll show you guys what I get. Alright guys, so I already looked through the entire men's section for shoes and the kids section, and basically there's nothing. But these were like on a restocking cart, and these were $56.99. I don't know if these resell for anything, but I'm gonna look them up. Let's see what they have in the women's section though. Hey guys, I just finished looking through the entire shoe section for all the men's, kids, women's, and I also looked through the clothing for the men's and women, pants even too, and I didn't find anything super dry at this store. I did find this Carhartt. Pretty cool to find Carhartt, because Carhartt, a lot of people like Carhartt right now. It is 40 bucks, but it wasn't selling that great on eBay. I only had 3 listings, so that one I'm gonna leave it behind. I did find these 2 shoes. This one right here, that cool Nike tag, $56.99. It wasn't selling too great either, so I'm gonna pass on those. Same thing right here, $26.99. Like some shoes to play tennis in, weren't selling that great either, so I'm also gonna leave those behind. The only things I am gonna take from this store is just these 2 shirts right here. I like to pick up these like college football, I think they're football, they're like shirts, polo shirts, and retail $75, and they're both selling for anywhere from like 30 to even 50 bucks. So they're only $3.99, so that's the only reason why I picked those up. If they weren't $3.99 and they were more than that, then I wouldn't be picking those up. But them being $3.99, I don't mind taking them. But yeah, that's it, everything for this store. I'm gonna head on to like a Burlington, maybe a Marshalls, but other than that, I mean, yeah, that's pretty much gonna wrap it up. I mean, not wrap it up, but like go to the next store. Yeah, so let's do it, guys. Get it. Alright guys, so now we're here at Burlington. I actually ended up changing my mind. I didn't end up getting anything at the Ross, but let's see what we find at Burlington. Hey guys, so I forgot to show what I ended up buying. So this is what I bought at Burlington. I bought these basketball shoes. Yo, what's up guys? So I'm already back home, as you can see, and I am going to be like going over the haul, but I do want to give a quick disclaimer. This is a very old video that I already had recorded a long time ago. I recorded this, or I got this haul like around November, late November, and it's already, as a recording, it's already like January, mid-January. So yeah, I just wanted to apologize about that. I've been really busy lately, so I haven't really had a chance to upload it, but I am going to be uploading my videos now. So yeah, but let's get into the haul. So I got these Nike React Elements 55s. I got them for a really good steal, actually, for I want to say 27 bucks. Let me see, I got the receipt right here. Yeah, it came out to $27.98 after the discounts and everything, because they had, the time I went in November, they had like an additional 30% off. So yeah, I got a good deal on that one. I got these Nike Air Prestos. They ended up coming out to 63 bucks. Now looking back, I'm gonna talk about something at the end of the video, but yeah, 63 bucks. They were going for more when I got this this haul, but they kind of like dipped a little bit in price. So, but still money to be made on those pairs. I got these, what are they called again? Nike Air Zoom types. Paid like 56 bucks for them. These also did drop, same thing too, but still money to be made. And then I got these, which is, I would probably say, the best find in the video. I got these Nike Dunk Highs. I've never found Dunk Highs at anywhere. Actually, I've never found them at all. So it's really cool to see them, especially because right now they're hyped, and I've seen other resellers pick them up too. So just the fact that I have them is pretty sick. I ended up getting them for 40. No, how much? Let me check just before I say a random number. I ended up getting them for $42 after all the discounts. It said like $84 on the tag when I showed you guys in the in-store footage, but for some reason I think it was wrong, because it ended up being less. So they ended up charging it as like 60, let me see how much. They rang it up as $59, and then plus the 30 ended up being 42. So yeah, super cheap on this one. This one's going for like around 100 bucks. So really good one on that one. And then I got these Adidas BYW. There's some basketball shoes. These are actually unreleased, for those of you who didn't know that. So these never came out to the public, unreleased pair of shoes. So pretty sick whenever you find something like that, like an unreleased pair, something that's never been out on the market. These, I actually got these on sale for $19.99, so really cheap on these. They're men's size 11.5, so a little bit weird size, but they'll still sell for sure. When I checked the comps, they're going anywhere from 80, the lowest, all the way up to, I've seen some up to like 120, even higher than 120. Some people have even posted them for like 150 and more. So that's that. But then I went to Burlington as well during that haul, and I also got this Puma Rude jacket. Retails for 175 bucks. I ended up getting it for 25 bucks, men's size medium. It's pretty sick actually. It is my size, but I'm probably not gonna keep it, but it is pretty dope. And then I got that. And then also from the Nike outlet, I did get some of these. It's a clothing piece of, what's his name? Tiger Woods, a golf shirt. Retails for $90 and I got it for $6.98. I actually got 3 of these, but 2 of the 3 I had, I already sold them. And then I had a green one as well, and I also sold the green one. So this is the only one I have left from the haul, but for $6.98 of something that retails for $90, definitely can't go wrong with that. I've been picking up a lot more clothing pieces actually. I never used to buy clothing. I was strictly into shoes, but clothing sells really well too. So whenever I can find something that's a good deal, like this jacket or this shirt, I just pick it up. And I also recently I did buy like a clothing rack too. So I just set it up literally yesterday, so that was pretty dope too. Really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to share, like, and subscribe as always. And yeah guys, see you later. Peace out. Later.